Vlad the Inhaler here with more weird Myrtle Beach weather for you. Zoom zoom! Weird Myrtle Beach weather. As you'll notice, it's raining over there, right? Now, I'm going to turn this way, and you'll notice over here it's sunny and there's no rain whatsoever. Then I'm going to turn back over here, and hey look, it's raining still. Turn back over here, it's sunny and shining, not a cloud in the sky. Turn over here, it's sunny, but there's lots of clouds in the sky. Indeed. Like and subscribe for more clowny fun and antics. I mean, I don't know if this is short worthy, but I thought it was interesting.